I'm not your average pet, fur and whiskers, but don't forget I've got claws that can scratch and tear. Underestimate me, better beware. Leoline fighter with a mighty roar, my ancestors ruled jungles galore. Don't let my size fool your eyes, I'm a tiger in a kitten's disguise. Hiss, hiss, meow, it's not a cute sound. It's a warning, so turn around. Push me further, you'll regret. My paws pack a punch, don't forget I'm not